Tools you need to move forward in your kingdom assignment, part 4. So it is so important that we count the cost of being a disciple of Jesus. And it's so important to understand the power of stewarding your resources, finances, and time well in order to see his kingdom here on earth. The Lord is a good father. He gives us provision. He gives us time here on earth. However, it is important that as we are pursuing our assignments, that we are counting the cost, that we are counting the cost and the sacrifice it will take to do the will of the Father. And so some practical ways to count the cost is 1, budgeting, 2, time management, and 3, planning. I think those are all beginning steps in understanding how to count the cost of the sacrifices that need to be made financially and time-wise. And you already know I got you. So I have 2 tools that you can start with to count the cost. 1, a budget tracker. And so I have a budget tracker in my bio that helps you manage your finances in a way that is biblical. So if you are looking to manage your finances more, not only to invest in your kingdom assignment, but also to start tithing and offering and really being obedient to the Lord with your finances, that is a great budget tracker for you to get. And 2, if you are looking to manage your time and steward your time well, the Clever Fox Planner is a great planner to start with. This is a planner that I use daily, and it helps you plan out your weeks, your months, your days. It has a daily time schedule. It has a section where you can prioritize your task. It is amazing. So it helps you stay focused on what is important. Hope this helps.